We're playing Frankie food truck.
Okay. All right. So everything's all set up.
His name?
Frankie's.
And his name is Frankie.
Mm-hmm.
And he bought a lot of foods, a lot of snacks.
Yes. Okay. So you can go first, Ella.
So let's get started.
Let's get started.
Square!
Now, what food shape is a square? A waffle. That's right. Oh, what the? Okay, put the waffle in the square. That's not a square, Ella. Find the square, Ella, on your plate. There you go. No. Focus. There you go. My turn. A circle. Which food is on the shape of a circle? Can you help me?
Do you want orange?
Okay, I love orange. Thank you, Ella. I'll put it right on. What the? Right here. Thank you. Your turn. Thank you, Ella. That's nice.
I get to steal.
You get to steal. No, my orange. Ah.
It's okay. You can have it.
No. Take it, Ella. That's the game. You steal it and you put it on your plate. Okay, my turn. I get a circle. What? No. Yes, a circle. I'll get the tomato. Okay, your turn.
Hey, you got a circle. Put a circle like this.
No, I didn't. It was right here. Your turn. Come on, Ella.
Whee.
Come on.
My turn.
Oh, you got a rectangle. Where's a rectangle? Do you see a rectangle?
I want a... Ooh, I know what I want. I want a pizzeria.
That's not a rectangle, Ella. You got a rectangle. Pick a rectangle.
Oh, because it's a triangle?
Yeah, that's a triangle.
Ooh, yum, a snack.
A cracker. Very good. So, you need 2 more, and then you win, right? Let's see.
The little buggy ate it.
What does that mean?
Little buggy ate it.
So what does that mean? What does that mean when a buggy? It means return a dish. What? Okay, your turn.
Wait.
Why is it wet? Okay, your turn, Ella.
I need to wipe it.
Okay, your turn.
My turn. Circle.
Okay, but you have a circle. So my turn. Ooh, I get to pick anything. Anything that's any shape that is a rectangle, circle, triangle, or square. So I'll do maybe a pizza. Okay, your turn.
There's not a right spot for the pizza.
Yes, it is. It's a triangle.
No, I said calling this one.
That's a rectangle.
No.
Silly Ella. Okay, your turn. Ooh,
Okay.
you gotta get one. Not all of it. One. Pick one. One you're gonna return.
I don't like. I just don't like 2 of them.
You gotta take one away.
But I love waffle.
Okay, well take one away. Very good. Okay, my turn. Oh, yes, I get to pick another one. I will choose a rectangle. Maybe I'll choose...
Choose this one.
Okay, I'll choose that one. Okay, your turn.
Hey, that one looks silly.
Thank you for fixing it. Your turn. You already got a circle. Oh, I don't have a circle. I'll choose a tomato.
Because you love tomato?
I love tomatoes. Your turn.
Because they're so spicy.
It's not spicy.
Oh.
What the?
Skip a turn.
Skip a turn. Wah, wah. I already have a rectangle. Your turn.
My turn. Skip a turn
Again?
Steal.
Steal, but I have... Oh, no. I'll take your square one. I'll take that one.
No.
What?
I love waffle.
I know. You can steal it later. Okay, your turn. I'll trade you when you get a square, okay? Oh, you get a rectangle. Pick a rectangle one.
I just forget.
Which one is that?
Popsicle!
You're crazy.
Steal!
Oh, I don't need yours. Okay, your turn.
My turn. I get to square. But I don't want squares.
You have to.
No,
Why don't you take my square because you like that one, and I'll take another square. Okay? Because I told you could take that one back.
Because it's called, that one is called steal.
Well, you're not stealing, but I'll let you take mine, and I'll take another square. Because I know you like the waffle. So I'll take...
Cheese.
cheese.
Cheesy.
Okay, your turn.
Cheesy.
Oh, no, my turn. Sorry. I got it. Okay, your turn. I think this is going to be a hard one. Circle. You got a circle?
I love a waffle.
I gotta return one. No.
How come you're sad?
Ah!
Because you want...
I dropped it. Okay. Yeah, I'm sad because I had to return my food. Okay, your turn.
But what do you like?
I like food. I just want my plate to be full. Your turn. Triangle. How perfect. What are you gonna get?
Yours. I got... What's that?
That's like a pie.
Do you love pie?
I love pies. Okay, this one is square. I already have a square, so your turn.
But it's okay, you can have a...
Go, Ella, your turn.
Okay. Ooh, a square, but I have a square already.
Okay, my turn. Triangle. I have a triangle. Your turn. Oh, what the?
I love waffle.
Yeah, spin. That wasn't a good spin. Oh, you got all of those already.
But it's okay. You can have a...
Ooh, yes.
But you can have a waffle. You can have
I need a rectangle
pie.
now.
You can have a pie.
Your turn, Ella. I just need a rectangle. And you just need the heart.
Wow, I can
Ah!
steal.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna win. You won! Congratulations.
I love that waffle.
Good job. Okay, Ella. Ella, what do you say?
Don't forget to subscribe.